Hey guys, how to delete TikTok account. Want to permanently delete your TikTok account but don't know where to start? Most people struggle and miss important steps, but in this video, I'll show you step by step how to delete your TikTok account safely and completely. Stay tuned, you'll be surprised how simple it really is. Now go to your profile and click the top 3 lines, and down click the settings and privacy, and click the top account, and down click the deactivate or delete account, and down click the delete account permanently, and click the top right skip, and down select the box and press continue, and again press continue. After this, you will receive a message from TikTok with a code written on it. Enter this code here and click on delete account. And that's it. You've now learned step by step how to delete your TikTok account for good. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and comment below for more tech tips. Take control of your digital life today.